Hi guys, today you're gonna see some young leaders from my loft of birds and that. You're gonna just see the youngsters. So I'm gonna show you 12 young, nice breed of pigeons. I know the plans of the year is to win money and trophies. That is not so bad, but if you know how to look after birds right, then you can build a right loft. Just do that. Then you can get a lot of birds if you want. So get so we're gonna get into it from seeing 12 young amazing youngsters today. Like you see here, I have a dog sick pigeon in my hand. Have nice wings. See? Like from bleeding dog chicks. It's easy. Just get the right pair and then you can make yourself a bleeding dog chicks. Yeah, this is a youngster. It's molting season. Like most youngsters molt after bleeding season. So if you want to, like, if a bird is molting, will be more easier after molting season. They will start bleeding and reducing. After bleeding in it, then you will see a month or so, then you see eggs in a lot. But this is one of my dog chicks, and it is a nice breed. See, the feathers is right, and on top. And how you keep it is like some dog chicks is not. But now after from feeding them, they will start flying. Okay. So I will just let that one fly there, and I'm gonna show you one other bleeder I did get by the flame of mine. So I'm gonna show you different bleeders. What I'm gonna show you today. So this is one of my brown chicks. Like I did bleed of those birds out. I have two youngsters. This is also a youngster. But do you see? This youngster is one of my amazing youngsters. Uh, this youngster is one of my amazing flyers. I did put in a eyes and that. So, like the bottom here, it, like sometimes people bird frame bird people look under them to see if the body and tummy is identical. So thus I am just showing 12 of my youngsters. I edited it so now the two, and they have amazing wing luxer. No, and this is a nice youngster you can have. See, they are on the floor now, just walking there. I'm gonna show you now my other brown youngster. Like, this is my other brown youngster. The one, the one brown youngster was a girl. This one is a boy. the molting season, and that is almost done, and then it will be the bleeding to lead him up to your eggs and that. And the ice is coming almost, so I am just showing you one of my nice youngsters I got. Like sometimes I only paint the feathers if I get birds by other people. So do you see? This is a nice long youngster I got, and it played amazing pace. You can play a brown youngster and a dark chick. They give you amazing pay. So some videos I don't make videos of birds. If you go to my video channel, you'll see like little videos actually and little fireworks. And I am trying to get 1 million subscribers in a month time. Yeah, in a month's time, I am trying to get 1 million subscribers. But I am left with now 144 followers. But I will show you some of my other flyers right now, other youngsters. And please like, comment, and follow. Thus I got here is my result. I got one result only. And him is using long feathers in it. And him is one of my nice colors of my birds. Like this result is one of the nicest result I got here. In a few days, then I will shoot him also out to fly with the pack. So I am just showing you one of my nicest birds. And how you keep it is actually like keeping it with your hands. You just get the bird to not fly out your hands. Yeah, like, this youngster is amazing youngster. You can pay to get this amazing youngster. I got in my end now. Like this youngster is gonna be on the floor. So most of the youngsters is now walking on the floor. So I will make few or more videos just to make my subscribers to like and comment and get more subscribers. Like I did say, I have now 144 subscribers. Like some birds, it's going in the loft just to drink water and eat, and then come back out. So I'm gonna show you one of my other youngsters. Like I have here is a blue. It's a blue, the nicest blue bird that I got here, a blue chick. But this blue chick like to be a little difficult actually to handle because from the wildness of the bird is just actually trying to cut out my hand like you see. See? It's a nice healthy bird I got here in my hand. So I'm gonna show you some of my other birds right now. I'm not done yet from the video most. That one just want to fly. like you see here in this video, is not actually my amazing bird ever because he still look a little not, all his feathers is not yet viable. So do you see it in this video? You miss a nice youngster I got here. He does like to fly and more if he fly, not actually so a big deal. Like some of my birds like to fly in the sky. Like I did post most of my other videos of how the birds is flying in the sky. I will post that videos again today just to see how much subscribers and likes and comments I will get. Like I got here, I got this other this other one. I did forget what lead this one is about. But this is one of my wildest birds. I like to be in the ice and fly around in it. Yeah, like I say, this is one of my wildest birds I got in my hand, and it is like more like flying around and trying to come out. But this is the nicest bird you can put in the ice, and it is a healthy bird. Like I get birds from other people and other uncles and that I know. Like my grandpa was a Yasin what birds and that. Him they give like all these birds just to me to look after because he is getting out and I must take over from putting the birds in the ice and giving the bird nice vitamins and protein to stay healthy in winter in any other days. Like I shoot my birds out when it comes summer, autumn, winter and spring. That's why they are like strong when putting in the ice and the wind and it is raining so hot and that they can fly past the rain. They don't get tired because they did fly in the rain already. And I'm gonna now, like I did say, I'm gonna post that video from how my birds is flying again because I didn't get enough comments, likes, and subscribers. So this bird is a nice bird that you can have. Like they are eating. They are eating now. And I will show you few other birds also because I didn't show all 12. So you're gonna see in this video, you will see nice, awesome birds. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I got here a blue pie. This blue pie has long feathers, like you will see on. This nice pie did win a couple of years in my time when my grandpa did put this one in the ice, and it is molten. After molten, then you know about bleeding in it and getting more youngsters. But right now, if you can help me out from getting more youngsters and more other birds, then please comment down here to say which type of breeding I must breed up to make nice pair of birds. But this bird It's the nicest bird ever. It's a the eyes is the bird is healthy and strong in hot weathers and hot climates. Like that bird like to all my birds like to eat out my hand. If you know how to line the bird to eat out your hand, you have to start from youngsters to eat out your hand. You can't let them play a clone bird then start to eat out your hand. Then the bird will not do that. Do you see? That's why you will see in my videos amazing youngsters.